How to log in to Xfinity. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Launch a preferred browser and in the search bar go ahead and search for Xfinity Login. Now scroll down until you see the official website of Xfinity and tap on the link. You will be redirected to the official homepage of Xfinity. You can check out for some of the packages and features of Xfinity through here. To sign into your account at the top in your right hand side, you will see the sign in option. Select the option. To log in, you will have to enter your email address, phone number or username that is linked to your Xfinity ID. Then just tap on Let's Go. Select Find your Xfinity ID at the bottom if you have forgotten any of the credential. It will redirect you to a new web page. To retrieve your account, you'll be given different options such as mobile number, email, or SSN. Select any and tap on Continue. If you have selected your social security number, you will have to enter your last 4-digit DOB and your phone number linked to your account. Then just tap on Continue. That is how you'll be easily able to retrieve your account if you have forgotten any of the credential. If you had selected the option of phone number, it will send you an OTP in your designated phone number in which you can easily enter the OTP code. You will also get the chance to recover your password or create a new one. Similarly, if you had selected your email address, you'll be provided with a recovery link. By tapping on it, you would get the access to your account. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to us.